Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making Oreo Baked Oats. I absolutely love this one because you can eat it as breakfast, as dinner, as a dessert, whatever you want. It is super simple to make and super delicious, so let's start.
These are all the ingredients we need today: baking powder, oat flour, milk, honey, oil, an egg, cocoa powder and of course Oreo cookies. Grab a bowl and add the oat flour, a teaspoon of baking powder and the cocoa powder. Mix this properly until you have no lumps left. Cocoa powder tends to lump together, so this is an important step. Once there are no lumps left, add the milk, the honey and the one egg. Now mix everything together on turbo. Once mixed, set it aside. Grab some Oreo cookies and cut them with a knife. We will sprinkle these over the top. Grab some other Oreo cookies and crumble them all into the wet mixture. Mix this all together as well. Now grab your oven-proof little bowls and oil them lightly. Spoon in the Oreo mixture evenly over the two bowls. Now grab the Oreos you've cut earlier and sprinkle them over the top. Bake this in a 180 degrees Celsius oven. Insert a wooden skewer to see if it's cooked properly. Mine took about 15 minutes, but it all depends on the size of the little balls. Let's have a look on the inside. Delicious! Enjoy!
And that's it. That wasn't so hard, right? I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and hit the bell so you won't miss any future videos of me. And let me know down in the comments what you want to see next. And I see you in the next one.